Hello friends, Umar with you. Welcome back to another video of Dashing Brothers. In this video, I'm going to unbox. Wait. I'm not going to do the intro. This time I will ask Ali to do it. So let's go and ask him. Ali, Mr. Ali,
What happened?
what are you doing?
Washing clothes.
Today you are doing the introduction of the video.
Okay. Hello guys, I am Ali, Umar's brother. Today, Umar is going to do the unboxing of a mind-blowing product.
Guys, as Ali told, today I'm going to do unboxing of a mind-blowing product and it is HP Webcam w200. So without wasting any time, let's begin with it. But before unboxing friends, let's see the specifications. One cable setup, digital microphone, fixed focus, support tripod. So this is our webcam. On the side we can see a barcode, behind we can see something written in Chinese and high definition 1280 by 720. UVC plug and play, built-in digital microphone, fixed focus, universal clip, support tripod, limited 1-year warranty from date of purchase. Friends, do you know that we can fix this webcam in tripods also? So this was the box and now I think we should start with the unboxing. So friends, let's quickly open this box and take out our webcam. Oh, it's quite tight. Yeah. So no, it's flipped. Okay. So friends, this is our webcam inside a polythene. We will see this webcam later. First, let me tell you that what all is there in the box. So we are having the manual of the webcam and there is nothing. So let's move to the box, to the main item. Sorry. This is the main item. This is our HP W200 webcam. Friends, it is of very good quality. I have seen the reviews and then I have purchased it. By the way, I have purchased it from Amazon. I will provide the link in the description below so that you all can also check other webcams and this webcam. So friends, let me quickly open this first. Yeah. So this is the cable of the webcam by which we would be connecting it. It uses a USB to connect. And there's something over here and this is the thing from where we would be connecting our webcam to the tripod. Let's quickly open it. So friends, it is adjustable. You can adjust it according to your monitor size thickness. Like if it is this much thick, then you can adjust. If it is a thin monitor, then also you can adjust. It has foam for a soft grip and you can adjust it according to according to your seating. It's really of a very good quality friends, and let me tell you that this webcam is quite a good option if you are looking for a budget webcam. Friends, this webcam comes with inbuilt mic which is on the side and it's amazing. Friends, I will connect this webcam to my system and then show you how it records the videos. And friends, do you know that it is not necessary that you connect it to your PC. You can just put it, it is important to connect this cable, but it is not compulsory that you attach this on your monitor. And just take this and place it like this on a table. So this thing is quite cool and really it's a mind-blowing gadget. Friends, just look, it is such a compact webcam. It is not quite big. It gives nice quality. Overall, 5-star rating to HP W200 webcam. And they have, did you notice friends, that the cable of the webcam, extremely long, and the build quality of the webcam, the finishing, everything is just perfect. Really, it's quite impressive to see that in a budget also, HP is providing us with such a good quality. It is amazing. We would be testing that how it works when we are connecting it with our PC. But really, like physically, I can say that really it's a pro. Mind blowing HP webcam. Friends, I have joined the meeting and this is the quality of the camera. And you must be wondering that where is the camera? So it is placed over here, and here is the view which it is giving. Just see how everything is happening. He is doing these things over there, and everything is happening live over here. Show it again, and thumbs up over here also. So friends, this was the quality of the camera. Now really it's a perfect camera, a perfect webcam for online classes, meetings, webinars and conferences, etc. So I've given the link in the description below. You can also check it out. That's only for this video. Please subscribe to Dashing Brothers and please like, comment and share our videos. We will bring many videos soon. Till then, goodbye.